In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PowerPoint presentation into Visme. If you've been using PowerPoint for your presentations and are now looking to explore Visme's dynamic capabilities, this guide is perfect for you. Let's walk through the process together, seamlessly transitioning from PowerPoint to Visme. To begin, you'll first want to log into your Visme account. If you don't have one, creating an account is quick and straightforward. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Visme dashboard. This is where all your projects and creative endeavors are housed, and it's the starting point for importing your PowerPoint presentation. With the dashboard in front of you, look for the Import button, typically a gray button located right next to the familiar plus Create button. This button is your gateway to bringing your PowerPoint presentations into Visme. Click on it, and you'll see a menu unfold before you. Here, you have the option to select the format of the file you wish to import, and in this case, you'll choose PowerPoint, specifically the .PPTX format. This ensures you're importing the right type of file that Visme can work with. Now, it's time to upload your .PPTX file. To do this, click on the Browse File button or any similar option that allows you to search your computer for the correct file. Navigate through your folders, find your PowerPoint presentation, and select it. Once selected, the upload process kicks off. You'll need to be a tad patient here, as the import may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending significantly on the size of your presentation. While waiting, it's worth remembering that good things come to those who wait, and soon enough, your presentation will be ready for the next steps. Once Visme completes the import, your PowerPoint project will automatically appear in your Visme dashboard, transformed into a Visme project, ready for you to enhance and edit. To start making changes, simply open your newly imported project in the Visme editor. The editor is where the real magic happens. Here, you can modify and refine the text, incorporating Visme's rich collection of design elements. You have access to a vast array of icons, stunning images, interactive charts, and more to bring a fresh, engaging twist to your slides. Additionally, you can apply Visme's unique animations and interactivity features to each slide, making your presentation stand out even more. A quick note while you're editing. Some formatting elements from your original PowerPoint presentation might not import exactly as they were. This could be things like specific text formatting, tables, or animations. But not to worry. Visme's robust tools more than make up for any discrepancies, allowing you to refine and perfect your presentation to suit your exact needs. And there you have it. You're now all set to compete in the digital presentation arena, using the best of both PowerPoint and Visme. Enjoy exploring Visme's features and watch your presentations come to life in new and exciting ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been useful in setting you up for success.